2006 INFINITI G35 or 30, yeah, 35. Still got the stock catalytic converters there and there. Then it's wiped into a single. Then we did a resonator delete and did a muffler delete. And instead of duals, we did single out the side with a 4-inch tip right there like that. Like a rocket coming off, missile, whatever you want to call it. There it is. That's the muffler we took off of it. That huge beast. Let you guys hear it in a Right. Sound decibels again. 122. Holy shit. Let him back it up. 122, bro. Wow.
Let that V6 breathe.
All the way.
أخت الشارع يا سيدي.
INFINITI G35. Beast mode.